Hi everyone. When we looked at that simple design process, when you do an initial idea, I'm looking for it to be sketched in 3D, annotation describing all the functions and features, especially telling us how the design spec is being met, and also I wanted it coloured in. Once you've got your great sketch, another thing we can do is build a model of it. So, if I look at my idea here that I did with a gaming controller, I've drawn it in 3D, I've annotated it, so I'd say my improvements are I want a projector that's going to actually project the film onto any surface. I've got it voice activated, voice controlled, so I've got a little microphone here, and I wanted longer handles, possibly with a memory foam that I could actually mould my own handles to my own hands. If you notice, it's lacking in a bit of colour, but I could colour it in, or simply I can get a highlighter and I can go around some of the edges just to make it stand out. That's all I'm going to do. I could do a little bit like that. So I don't have to colour the whole thing in. Quick sketch. That again, that just gives it that little bit of depth by there. So I'm going to make a model. What I've done, and what I want you guys to do, raid your cupboards, cereal packets, thin card, anything like that. Any scrap of cardboard you like. We're going to make our model out of this. And the reason we're going to make a model is because it's a lot easier to demonstrate your idea with a model. It's very, very cheap to make, very quick to make, and it gives the client, the person who it's for, a good understanding of the idea before you put any time and effort into it. So here's my model. That's my design, remember? That's my model. So what I've done, I've drawn the one side of my controller out of the cereal box. I then copied around it, used that as a template for the back, so the back and the front are the same. I've then got some card about the thickness of the controller and taped that there, as so, for the depth. I've then gone on the internet, I've got some pictures of some of the buttons to make it a bit quicker and clearer, and my little projector, I've just found a little a cylinder that I've stuck on there just to show that's going to be my projector. And so there's my idea. I take this to the client as well and say, look, hold it, have a look at it, have a little play around with it. What do you think? It gives the client an opportunity not just to make a decision based on this, but it's a very quick, simple idea that I've modelled. Again, if there's any modifications to be made, you can quickly make another model, dead quick. So the skill we're looking to develop here is your actual model making skill out of cardboard. So that's the task this week, is to actually look at the controller you've designed, get some cardboard and make a full-size model of it, and then send those photos in to me. Cheers.